Let's learn English and Indonesian sentences in 3 minutes. Stay away from him. Stay away from him. Jauhi dia. Stay away from him. Don't be so cheeky. Don't be so cheeky. Jangan kurang ajar. Don't be so cheeky. Keep smiling. Keep smiling. Tetap senyum ya. Keep smiling. Everything goes well. Everything goes well. Semua berjalan lancar. Everything goes well. Take me there. Take me there. Anterin saya ke sana. Take me there. Can I have your phone number? Can I have your phone number? Boleh minta nomernya? Can I have your phone number? I changed my mind. I changed my mind. Saya berubah pikiran. I changed my mind. Let's jump into the swimming pool. Let's jump into the swimming pool. Ayo kita nyebur ke kolam renang. Join us. Join us. Bergabunglah dengan kami. Join us. Move a bit please. Move a bit please. Geser dikit dong. Move a bit please. I feel uneasy now. I feel uneasy now. Saya ngerasa nggak enak nih. I feel uneasy now. I really hate this. I really hate this. Saya benci banget dengan hal ini. I really hate this. Look into my eyes. Look into my eyes. Tataplah mataku. Look into my eyes. You look so tired. You look so tired. Sepertinya kamu lelah. You look so tired. Everything has been over. Everything has been over. Semuanya sudah berakhir. Everything has been over. I cannot say for sure. I cannot say for sure. Saya tidak bisa memastikannya. I cannot say for sure. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Saya takut banget. I'm so scared. See you soon. Sampai jumpa lagi.